Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the name of operator in C Sharp and I will show you how we can use it. So let's we start the topic, the name of operator, right? So the name of operator in C Sharp is used to get the name of any variable. You can say like class, like integer variable name, like string variable name. So we are using basically this operator to get the name of any variable, any type or member as a string. Okay, it was introduced in the C sharp version 6.0 to improve code readability and maintainability, right? Now we will directly jump towards the development environment. I am using Visual Studio 2022 edition, and I have created a very basic console application, as you can see. So I am in the program.cs, and here in this class I am almost showing you all the examples of any video, right? Now I will show you a very basic example of how we can use the name of operator. Now I am talking basically about this operator. Okay, name of. No no let's me write here a class, public class. The class name, let's suppose person, and in this class I will define two properties. The second property will be the last name. Okay, and no, I will use this class here. No, to use the name of operator, let's me define here two variable, string first name is equal to uh, no, to use the name of operator in C sharp, we write the keyword name of. Okay, and then inside the parenthesis we pass the type, I mean the variable, the type. Okay, so here let's me pass here the first name of the person class, first name. Okay, now let's me see, let's me also pass here the last name of the person class. No, basically this operator will give you the name of this operator. It is a property you can see here inside the person. Now once this line executed, inside the first name we will get this name, the first name. If I change it to, for example, this one, then when I execute the code, then I will get this first name E4R, you can see value inside the first name. Okay, now let's me run the code. I will put here a debugger so that you can see what about I am trying to explain. Okay, now you can see that I, let's me move over again. Sorry, the program becomes a little hang, I think. Okay, now if I mouse over again, you can see that the value of the first name here is the name of these operator. Okay, so actually we are only using the name of operator to get the name of any variable, any type as a string. Okay, if I assign here for example integer, so it will give me the error, the compile time error, because the name of operator return only the string value, and here you can see cannot implicitly convert type string to integer. So I have to declare the variable name, the variable type as string, in which I want to get the type of any variable, or you can say class or structure. Now let's me pass here the person. Now here let's me get the class actual. name. If I run the program, step over. Now here inside the class name, actual name, okay, here I will get the person as a string value. So you observe that we are basically using the name of operator to get mm, to get the name of actual variable. So it helps avoid to avoid hard coded strings and making your code easier to maintain, and your code will be less error prone. Okay. So the name of operator, as I explained, is a powerful tool in C sharp that enhances code readability basically and maintainability. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. I think it's enough about this topic because we are mostly using like in this way. That is why I did not make the video very lengthy about the name of operator. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.